It's a certified 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Take control of any situation. With an impressive amount of different seating and storage combinations, you can carry kids, dogs, groceries, luggage, nearly anything you can think of. It comes with all the amenities you need. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive highlights the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.